Garmin Descent Mk1 is your partner for exploring worlds of adventure, underwater or topside. In this video, we'll help you get acquainted with your new dive computer and teach you how to access some of its best features. First, let's look at the device. Press and hold the light key to turn the device on. Once it's on, you'll use it to turn the backlight on and off. Or press and hold to bring up the controls menu. Use the up and down arrow keys to scroll through the widget loop and menus. During a dive, you'll also be able to scroll through data screens. Press the Start key to view your list of activities and to prepare to start an activity. This key will also let you choose options while navigating menus. Finally, the Return key. Press it to return to the previous screen. On the back of your device is the wrist-based heart rate sensor. For the most accurate results, wear Descent Mk1 above your wrist bone. It should be snug but comfortable. Keep in mind that the device must be worn over bare skin in order for the sensor to monitor heart rate. For most accurate results, don't allow the device to bump into other wrist-worn items or the cuffs of your wetsuit or dry suit. The dive computer comes with an extra long band you can wear over a thick exposure suit. With quick fit bands, swapping bands is easy. Now, let's find out how to access your data on the watch. From the watch face, press the up or down key to begin scrolling through the widget loop for quick access to surface interval data, the dive log, smart notifications, compass, steps, heart rate, and more. Descent Mk1 supports 5 dive modes: single gas, multi-gas, gauge, apnea, and apnea hunt. You can customize the settings for each mode to suit your needs. Hold the up key and select Dive Setup if you'd like to make changes. When you want to dive, press the Start key. Scroll through the list of dive modes and select one. If necessary, you can edit dive settings such as gases, water type and alerts, and more by pressing the down key during the pre-check. Press the Start key. You'll be taken to the surface screens for your selected dive mode. Then, descend to start your dive. The activity timer will start automatically when you reach a depth of 1.2 meters. During your dive, you can press the down key to scroll through the data screens or simply double-tap the screen. Press the Start key to access relevant menu options. When you return to the surface, the device will automatically stop the timer and save your dive. Thanks for watching. Watch the other videos in this series to learn more about the available dive modes and using your Descent Mk1.